Hey guys, I brought the Evo out with the new case. I had to have a reason to bring out the Evo, so I said, okay, I got the new case out, I can bring it out and play with it. There it is, right there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like the case very much. I don't like the gimbal cover though. Nobody likes the gimbal cover for the Evo. And this is one of those where you pick the little squares out to make it for the size you want. It worked out really well. Harbor Freight, that's where I got it from. It's very sturdy too. Now they've redone this app, so I don't really care for it that much, what they've done. Okay, they still have the countdown clock there. Now, where did they put the zoom? See, now I don't even know that. Okay, so you have to swipe your finger on the screen now? Didn't that used to be on the dial? Okay, so they screwed that up. Let me slow down here and try to see. I thought the zoom used to be on the dial, but the zoom on the Anafi is way better than this thing. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so now they have the GPS and that kind of stuff now on the little screen. Your GPS strength and all that stuff. I didn't even notice that, to be honest. So you know your GPS strength and your transmitter signal. It's on the small screen now instead of it being on the phone. I kind of liked it on the phone because then you only had to look at one thing. Now you have to look at the screen, the small screen, and the phone. So why bother using the phone, right? Because you don't have to use the phone with this thing. It has its own display. So it's pretty good too, actually. There's a dragonfly going over there to mess with the Evo. He's going to lose that battle, guys. He's going to lose that thing. That fight is lost, okay? Now, let me try one of these orbits. I really don't mess around with the flight modes with this too much because they're not that good, okay? They don't have very many good ones on here. Now, let's go to orbit. Let me get the height up here a little bit. We'll go up to 200. And we'll set A. And then we'll bring it back. And set B. And hit start. Now, can you move the gimbal? Yes. Okay. And let me see if you can hit the map. Okay. It's not a very big orbit. I'm just checking it out here. Seeing if it works. I think I did it once before, but I'm not sure. Now, can you raise and lower the height? Yep, you can, because I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, so now, how do I get it to stop doing that? Okay, so you just go back up to the menu and put it back to manual flight, that's all. Alright. It works good, you know. I didn't notice anything on there about increasing the speed or anything like that, so, but maybe there's a setting in there. Like I said, they've reworked this app completely since the introduction of the Evo 2. So they've redone the whole app from top to bottom, basically. Man, that thing, this is not even in the fast mode. This thing is fast as hell, guys. I'm telling you, man. This thing will come up on you quick, brother. It always surprises me how quick this thing is. Okay, well, the obstacle avoidance is messing around. So if anybody knows how to work the zoom other than pinching the screen, I've been pressing this. I am almost positive that this used to be on one of these buttons, and I don't know if you can program it. I don't know. Like I said, they've reworked so much of this app, it's pathetic. Alright guys, I'm cutting the video. Ooh, let me see what that little thing is right there. Oh. That's just telling you what's on the SD card. Alright guys, I'm gonna land it and be done with it. Alright, there it is. Evo with the new case. And I did an orbit. Okay, so yay. Alright guys, there you go. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you.